You retired. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good, good. Perfect. All right. Let's go. Move down towards your feet a little bit. I'm going to do a drop table for you. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. 2 more. Deep breath. All the way out. And last one. Deep breath. All the way out. There we go.
A nice deep breath through your nose. Relax it. Oh yeah. Home run. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
There we go. Okay, now let me just have your head in my hands. That's it. Very good. And then the lower thoracics. Here. There we go. Good. And exhale for me. There we go. Okay.
Okay, relax here for me. Very good. Good stuff. Relax right here for me. Okay, let's try this one more time here. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, relax right in here. I'm going to get some movement right in here. Very good. All right, right in here. Relax here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Let's try one more right over here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Very good.
Take a deep breath, blow it all the way out. Very nice. One more time, deep breath, blow it out. Good. All right, you just relax there. Get your neck. Good. Now we'll come over and do this side. Relax your side down. There we go. Good. Take a deep breath. Lift all the way out. Nice. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. One more time. Good.
Did you feel the movement
Yeah.
there? Okay, nice and relaxed right here. Okay. Oh, good. Oh yeah, this guy's a big self-adjuster.
Yeah.
Which is terrible, people. Stop self-adjusting.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Was that a little bigger?
That was much bigger.
We'll take it this way. Just relax. Good. Right into this joint. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. Good. Okay.
Just relax here. Wow. Feels like he's a self-adjuster. Good, nice.
Relax aquí. Very good. Muy bien. Relaja el cuello así. Muy bien. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Relájese aquí, relaja el cuerpo. Muy bien. Aquí arriba también. Ok. Saca el aire completamente y relaja el cuerpo. Muy bien. Saca el aire completamente. Very good. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Perfecto. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Saca el aire completamente. Very good. Perfecto.
Good. Perfect. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Nice. Every time you smile. One more. Good.